personality, Tara Deshpande, author, actor, Meghna Pant, author, Dr. Apratim Goyal, CEO, Medical Director of Cutis Skin Studio. She's also a celebrity dermatologist. Dr. Goyal is also a celebrity dermatologist. Bharat Dhabholkar, advertising professional. Mr. Dhabholkar, you know, the rhetoric is something else, the narrative is something else. It needs to be scripted by the likes of you. Voting percentage in BMC election has been abysmal. Do you really think people will actually put their money where their mouth is, go and actually vote and register a count which can effect a legitimate change?
No, they won't. In Mumbai never votes. Only 50% of Mumbai votes at the most. And this time's election campaigns of all the political parties, I underline all the political parties, have been the most ridiculous and the most irrelevant campaigns I have ever seen. This was a civic election. What is coming up tomorrow is a civic election. As somebody just said, it's about the roads, it's about the water. It is not about development of the state. This is not a Vidhan Sabha election. It is not about the Marathi pride. It is not about Adani. It is not about Mumbai being taken away. It is about, do I get good roads in my locality? Do I get enough water? Are my footpaths walkable? These are the issues, and not one single political party has touched upon these issues. It is the most ridiculous campaign I have ever seen. And this sadly, Mumbaikars don't give a damn.
No, I understand that it is a ridiculous campaign, but that's the question. Because, you know, the fact is, you will see a ridiculous campaign because it really doesn't matter. And why it doesn't matter is because we can't stress on it again and again, and we're doing so multiple times on air, on India Today. Go out and vote. If you want to crib about your roads, water, then
Absolutely.
earn the right to crib. Tara Deshpande, I want to bring you in. You know, the political narrative has been very, very different than what the narrative should be and what the reality is on ground. There is a complete disconnect between our netas and what people really want. But, and there's a huge but, we will have people who will come on camera, who will come on air to elucidate on what's wrong with Mumbai, but tomorrow they are not going to go out and vote.
You know, I'm very sad to say, but Mumbai, the city of dreams, is turning into Mumbai, the city of screams. And these screams are being heard by nobody. In order for people to hear us and hear our plight, I think we really need to make a lot of noise. And the best noise we can make is to go out and vote. We have some serious issues here. Some of these points were mentioned by you earlier in the program, but let me give you a few numbers to show you how bad it is. There is one toilet for every 1,820 women in this city. Only 60% of toilets in this city get electricity on a continuous basis. We have a situation where 1 out of 24 wards in the BMC gets 24 hours water supply. The rest get about 5.3 to 5.7 liters. The situation has become so bad that there isn't a single road left in Mumbai where there aren't potholes. We are now cutting down mangroves. We are cutting down trees like a lawnmower in someone's garden. When we know that our city is a coastal city, climate change has resulted in rising sea levels. We have suffered catastrophic floods in Maharashtra as well as in Mumbai that have taken lives. And yet we continue to destroy our floodplains. This is really critical because once things go really wrong, there's very little you can do to sort this out. We want the BMC to stop cutting down our trees and to stop destroying our mangroves. We want the Mitti River to be desilted. We want the encroachments to be removed. And speaking of encroachments, this is one of the biggest reasons Mumbai is being destroyed. Illegal encroachments, illegal buildings, and very high IQI, which are all connected together. There is so much illegal construction taking place in the city, and the legal construction doesn't follow any rules. We have so much dust, both from road construction as well as from buildings. Every second building has work going on all hours of the night.
Tara Deshpande, I can't seem to hear you. Either, you know, we've lost you because I am in Kolkata. We've lost you, or we're going to try and reconnect to you. Meghna Pant.